Look, Mum. Mum, look at this. It's the DeLorean, the back in time one. Look at what it's got in it. It's got that gadget guy from the gadget show in there. He's just so calm about it. And there's that's all the horn. And we're just the only people following it out. Calm. They brought it out. Just look.
Hopefully it doesn't go back to the future.
There's smoke at the end.
That is so sick.
We're following it. See you later. Shit, Tom, have you seen what's behind us?
Yep. Thank you. You come back. See you next year. Love to. It's been amazing. See you later.
And that's probably what was making the noise, Mum. I've got it on video. I'm just like, here's the guy from Gadget Show. Oh shit! That's that. Yes, mate.
Hey.
That's the Toyota Hilux.
That is a good.
Yes, bro. I'm just following the thing now. It's the replica. Grave Digger's little British cousin, and the guy who's driving it. That's them showing off and saying goodbye. It's a bit of a program there. Now we have some other cars down there.
I can't believe we got to see the Gadget Show guy close up. I didn't even get to see him that close at the Gadget Show live. And I went to the Gadget Show live.
Now we have an Austin 7, I believe, coming out.
Wait, that means someone else is driving in 675 Longtail.
Where's this kid? Pedo. Got a pedo looking after. Now we have an Austin 7, I think. Yes, this is. And the guy who drives it, really nice car.
My phone's dead.
Then we got that, and then we got the Camaro.
Put this on Facebook.
I will, don't worry.
This is everyone leaving now.
Yeah, I know. This is sick.
It's better them leaving than. Nice Camaro. That is nice.
Now we got a
fucking shitty Triumph thing.
Something here.
Shitty fucking shit dick thing.
Now we're gonna get out of the way of it, and the Jaguar behind it. No. You're doing good. You're doing good.
Oh, that's what Chase Oldest does.
Yes, mate. Cheers.
Jaguar Mark II. Austin!
Austin, hello Austin. Nice seeing you again.
Oh, here comes the muscle. What have we got on the bike? Oh yeah.
Now we got this, a Chevrolet Bel Air.
That is... Dead, this ain't fair.
Oh, I'm waiting for that big man American truck.
It might not come out. It might come out.
Oh, here comes some muscle Mustangs with all their big muscle things. It's 4 minutes into the video.
How much space does your phone have?
I don't know. Now we got
probably
that.
Probably gonna delete half of the video. Probably gonna delete the beginning where the fucking Gadget Show guy was. Oh, Ben.
And now we've got a Camaro and then this. We've got the old Mustang, a little lovely Mustang. Tom's getting something out of his bag. There's a Mustang again. It's the guy greeting the Mustang guy. Yes, mate. That's very nice. Then we got a Camaro, another one. That's the back of the Mustang again. Now we got this Camaro, very nice Camaro, with the headish big tyres.
Nice car, mate.
Can I have a ride in it? And there's the massive resources making that room. I'm so glad I got this on video.
That's almost as good as the AC.
And then we've got this big truck with the chicken hen coop thing in the back. And a Camaro. No, a Capri, a Capri.
Crap.
What I'm fucking saying, I'm saying Capri. Excuse my language. Now we have an old truck coming down that Tom quite likes. It's a bit rusty. Looks a bit rusty and it's got pink all over it.
I love the pink.
We'll just wait a second for it to come.
Okay.
This guy here that was greeting owns that one there. Look, he owns that.
He probably wasn't best in show, didn't he?
Now this is the car that he likes.
I hate my life, my friends do show.
And that is nice.
Who's gonna do that now? Gadget show, that's better.
Now this is a Cadillac.
Bel Chevy
Bel Air. Chevrolet Bel Air, my bad.
How did my phone go dead when it was on 49%?
What? There's a really nice Triumph thing. Come on, break.
Fuck it, piece of shit.
Triumph. Come here.
Oh! Truck, they're gonna floor it out of there. Do you hear the Camaro?
The fuck is that?
And the rocket car just comes whizzing down here.
Zoom.
Not the fake.
Now we're walking up, there's another car over there.
Camberley's never this busy, and now that there's a
It's
car.
never this loud.
No, fuck that.
No.
Walking through Camberley car show. Cars,
Now we got Tom. Say hello, Tom.
Quick goes.
Say hello, Tom.
Alright.
Oh,
I'm not checking my welfare.
fit girls. Really nice thing. They should be coming out any minute. This is better than getting on picture.
Yeah, and then you find out you have no space.
We made them all stand up. Boom, bitch, move out the way. She's polishing our engine up. Actually, I'm gonna get some video of that engine. It's the Escort engine. It's not an Escort, but you know. It's alright. It's a very nice engine, my thing.
Okay.
The teddy bear's in there. It's on there. This lady's really nice car.
Did you see the
Really nice. Look,
K&N air filter?
Air filters, more.
Oil filter.
Everything to do with something.
Fucking sick.
Another for Capri.
I thought that was a real dog again. See, oh, this is the dude that lives near around you.
And he's got his old lady in the van. So it isn't. Alright, fine, not. Ooh, bitch, get out
I
the
can't
way.
believe I caught the gadget show guy on a Snapchat and saved the whole story. I'm fine. Maybe the truck's already gone.
No, it would have gone by now. It's still there. It's on though.
I want to see the truck come out.
It's our favourite guy again, look, from the other part.
Yeah. Did you see the 675 long tail? The guy at the gadget show came in it and then he went in the DeLorean and then drove the DeLorean away. I never knew he was even coming.
This is one of the best parts, them leaving. So you just...
I never knew the guy at the gadget show was coming. That's good. I wanna catch a truck when it drives out. I wanna see if he will honk his horn first.
That thing.
That bloody black truck scared the life out of me when he honked the horn, even though I knew that he was gonna do it.
Oh, is it? What? What's happening now?
Kid's getting in the truck.
He's having a ride home in here.
Oh, maybe that's the kid from the gadget shows. Nah, the gadget shows someone was like a midget. Maybe he's getting a lift in the 675 long tail back home.
Yeah.
Probably. Ha! Look how many balloons.
Now we have a really nice truck, and now I'm going to move out the way. So's Tom. Tom may want to move out the way. Now everyone's going to move. All that's going to move out the way for that. Because that is a big thing. I'm slowly walking backwards. Nice, very nice car. Very nice, that paintwork on the back.
Ben.
That really nice husky paint job thing.
Husky paint. The walls actually.
The walls, husky, whatever.
Wait, what else is done? Something else is done. You can hear that through the whole Camberley. You can probably hear that over the fucking other side.
Dude, well, this person waiting for her husband to get in the
car.
car.
Oh, it's the hot rod, I think, up there. Or the bikes.
There's a couple more of them over there.
It's bikes.
We've got a couple of bikes.
Oh, we might have missed a race bike. Damn it.
Yeah, we have.
Damn it. It was there. From here, it's like taking up the whole fucking land.
Got this guy with his really nice bike. He's very nicely revving it for us. Because he is a Don. Have a safe journey home.